Good morning, dear students. Earlier, I had read this chapter that was Emil and the Detectives. Today, I shall let you know what is the story in this. It is a story of a child whose name was Emil, and this story was written by Eric Kastner. It is a story of a German boy who was very much interested in the adventures. And what adventures did he do in his past? We are going to understand it. From this story, we shall come to know that in a small town there was a boy whose name was Emil, and the town was in Germany, and that boy Emil was living with his mother. Actually, he did not have any brother or sister, and his father was already dead. And his mother, she used to work hard so that she could run the family, means Emil and herself. What happened? On a holiday, Emil's mother decided to send Emil to the city to stay with his grandmother. And in the meanwhile, Emil's mother gave Emil some money for his grandmother and some amount for him to spend in the city. And while he was leaving the station, his mother told him that he should not lose money and he was to be good with the passengers and everybody whomsoever he met in the train. And she told him about her grandmother, not to disturb her. And actually, she told him to support his grandmother because she was old and she was in the need of love and the support. And Emil, while leaving the station, while leaving that town to the another town, Emil pinned the amount in his pocket, and his mother came to the station and to say him goodbye and told him to take care of himself. Emil replied bye bye to her mother. In the compartment of that train, there was a bogie of the train. In that compartment, 4 people were there. Emil saw 4 people, and among them one was with a black hat, and Emil did not like that man. What happened in the next station? All the 3 people got down, and the only man with the black hat was there in that compartment with that Emil. As it was already hot, so Emil and the man with the black hat were left alone in that compartment. And actually, Emil wanted to awake, but he fell asleep soon. After some time, when Emil woke up, he saw that there was nobody in that compartment, and he put his hand into his pocket and saw that the money was not there. So he told himself about that man. The man with the black hat must have taken his money. Emil got up and looked for that man, and he saw that the man with the black hat was going outside of the train, and Emil followed that man. He followed him into the cafe. Actually, Emil was feeling very sad as he saw that man was paying the bill with his money, which was the money of that Emil. Just then a boy came near to that Emil and asked him what happened, what was the matter about it. And the Emil replied that the man with the black hat had stolen his money and he had to get it back. He had to give that money to his grandmother. The boy replied him to give him the help, and the name of that boy who was to help him was Paul. And the boy told him to keep watch on the man and he would call his friends. Paul went away and soon returned with his friends. Paul told a little boy named Tuesday. There was a boy whose name was Tuesday, and told him to go to the home and he should be in the contact with them through the telephone. Paul replied that they would give them all the news and they passed it to the others.